MOKEMOKE is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Tahi o ngā maunga ko Poku Kairua, ka heke mai ki te awa o Waitao, ka rere atu ki te tauruna, ko ngā pāpaka o rangataua, rere tōtika ki te moana, ko te awanui, tainoa atu ki te maunga rangatira, ko MAUAO. Ko Ngai te rangi te iwi, ko ngā pōtiki te hapu, ko Tahuwhakatiki te marae, ko mā tātua te waka, ko tōroa te tangata. As I look over to Tauranga Moana, Ngati Ranginui lives there at Tauranga, Ngai te rangi lives there at Matapihi, Whareroa and Matakana, and at Rangataua here, the people of Ngā Pōtiki live here. And their food is the mud of Rangataua, because titiko eat mud and we eat titiko. So therefore the boldness of our people are taniwha, because taniwha eat mud, the crab of Rangataua. So just a little history on how the marae became where it is today. It was built in 1911 by one of Ngā Pōtiki's chiefs, Eruera Te Tauhou, known as Te Tauhou, also known as Te Tauhou Tamapahore. So he was also the donor of the land, so he donated this land for his people of Ngā Pōtiki. So once the marae was built, he gave the name Te Whare o Te Tahuwhakatiki. And he named his whare nui Romai Nohorangi at the time. Yeah, but sadly he passed away a year later in 1912. But the marae Tahuwhakatiki is surrounded by land which has on it kiwi fruit, avocado and papakainga behind Romai Nohorangi. Incidentally, the papakainga is a commemoration of our kuia tupuna Pirihima, which the land is named after, and Pirihima was the sister of Te Tauhou. And also the papakainga that sits on Pirihima's land, that was named after their younger sister Miriama. So the papakainga is named Te Ohaki or Miriama. And we come back to the whare nui, so Te Tauhou was a great believer of connections with Tainui, as a lot of our marae are. And so our whare wahine, Tu Wairua, is from Tainui. And in 1970, the whare was opened by Te Ariki Nui, Dame Te Atai Rangi Kahu. And behind us, behind Romai Nohorangi, the papakainga, we go back to the papakainga, that was opened by Te Atai Rangi Kahu's daughter, Hine Paki. So that's our connection with Tainui. So we had strong connections with them. We also have strong connections with the Hahi Ratana as well. In the 1950s, the name Te Tahuwhakatiki, I don't know, somehow became Tahuwhakatiki, the marae. And this was the first marae that the Ngai arrived to, was Tahuwhakatiki. And he also brought, when he walked into the wharenui, the first thing he saw was the star. He also brought with him a flag that had the words Te Tahuwhakatiki on them as well. So yeah, so many things started on this marae. Ratana band, Te Reo Tuatahi, started here at Tahuwhakatiki. So yeah, our strong connection we have with Tahuwhakatiki is with Te Hahi Ratana and also Tainui. So, Puhutu api kōrero tēnei wā, nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.